Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings app and then tap to network and internet. Click to internet section and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. Click to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it on. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, tap on it, and as you can see, this is so simple. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.